welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to curl your hair with a straightener. Basically I've been doing this hairstyle for years, and the straightener that I've had it for years. You guys gonna see in the next clip. But yeah, basically they kind of harassed us in the mall when I went with my sister, and I kind of fell in love with it. Like, they literally took a piece of strand of my hair, they curled it, and I was like, give it to me. But yeah, I've had it for years. I don't know if it's still available, but basically these are the curls that you get with it. This hairstyle typically takes me like 10 minutes to do. It's super easy, just like curling your hair with a wand. That's another video that I have that is also in my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got these soft curls, just tune in. And again, these curls, I literally do it, let's pretend, on a Monday, and then I don't touch my hair for the rest of the week. I kind of let the curls drop, and yeah, it kind of gives me some loose waves. And I do recommend that if you're trying to put less heat in your hair, you know, just do a really nice hairstyle one day and let it drop, let it, you know, let it fold, let it be in its own flow. So yeah, these are literally the curls. Has a lot of volume. So if you guys want to see how I got these curls, just tune in, because I'm going to show you how. And again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can join my family and join my videos. So yeah, so the straightener that I am using is the color pink, and basically the brand is by Live Passionately. This is what it is. I got the straightener like years ago. I'd say like 10 years ago. I got it like in the stands when you go to the mall, and you know how there's people like that are like, they go behind you and they're like harassing you to try on their products, or they call you over to be like, hey, come here, let me curl your hair so you can buy it. This straightener cost my sister like $100, because I remember we were Christmas shopping and I needed a straightener, so she went ahead and got me the straightener. All right, but done with the babbling. This is what I do. I take the crown of my hair and literally just start straightening the top of it, just so that it's not, I don't know, I just like the finish that it does. So this is what I like to do. Just grab it, put it in between the hair, and just go back and forth for a little bit. It's kind of also like teasing the hair. And just grab the crown again, tease it a little bit, go down, and then I like to put my hair all the way to the back. And also make sure that the back part of my hair is straightened and teased. There you go. And then with the front of my hair, which is really important, because as you guys can tell, I have kind of like these waves, and there goes my dog, just like every other video. But yeah, we're focusing on the front now. And she's gonna start barking. But all right, guys, we're gonna focus on the front. And what I like to do is just take the shortest part of my hair, which is my so-called bangs, and straighten them. Just brush it up, and you can already see the volume. Alrighty. So when it comes to the curls, what I like to do is start from the back and then towards the front. So this is literally what I do. I just start grabbing, I'd say like 2 inches or 1 inch of hair, grab the straightener, put it in between, and as I'm putting it on my hair, I like to turn my hair like that, and then you just go down. And this is going to create the curls on your hair. And I like to stay for like a second or two. Let it go, and there you go. Push it to the back. Grab another strand of hair, 1 inch or 2. Rush my hands through it. Turn the hair. Go all the way down. And then it kind of creates like this loose curls. Then to the back. Then, as you can see, while I'm curling my hair, it seems like the only thing that's curling is like the ends of my hair. So what I like to do to alternate is, instead of, you know, just keep grabbing it and parting it this way, I like to grab some hair from the crown and focus curling all the way up there, so like this. And then you guys will see that I have more of a curl throughout my hair. Let's see, kind of messed this one up, but you guys get what I'm talking about. Just like that kind of wave. And you kind of, you know, your hair turns more bouncy. And then I like to just continue focusing on the top of my hair and just go like this and then start curling it. There you go. See the difference? So nice and bouncy. So you go back, and now since I have hair towards the bottom, focus on the bottom, brush my hands through it. This literally takes me like 10 minutes to do, especially when I have washed my hair. And I had to do my hair today because I will be going to work tomorrow. There you go. Throw it to the back. Focusing on this end. Literally. Grab this end. Curl. Oh, I almost burned my fingers. There you go. Curl. Push it to the back. Now grab this end. This is kind of like the front. So what I like to do is kind of like this. The same way. Go down slowly. Remember that the slower you pass the straightener to your hair, the tighter the curl will be. The faster you go, you're gonna get like a wave type hair. So you guys can already see a difference. This looks super, super pretty. You can already tell a difference. Like here, I'm ready to go to work, and here, this is passable. Like I've gone to work like this plenty of times. You know, just focus on your bangs, and then the rest can literally stay just like that. But all right, let's finish this side now. And then just like that, and I'm stuck. Okay, just bring it down. And if there's hairs really like this, what I like to do is just grab the straightener and straighten it, and that's it. All right guys, so just like my tutorial with the wand, I'm not gonna touch this curl right here because I literally just finished doing it, and then it's gonna get all messed up. And yeah guys, this is literally the way I curl my hair. What I'm gonna do though is grab this and make sure that my hair is kind of straight in the front, just because I like that look. Let me see. Okay. So yeah guys, literally done. This is the way that I like to curl my hair. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. This is literally the hairstyle that it's literally my go-to. I do it all the time, at least once a week, and I like to do it once a week because I don't like to add a lot of heat to my hair. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I literally don't even use what is that called, heat protectant. And yeah, don't follow my rules, don't follow what I'm doing. But a really good heat protectant, if you guys are interested in buying one, is one from Tresemme, and it has like the red top. That's really good. But yeah, I'm literally looking into buying it again because I remember I used to buy it all the time. But yeah guys, this is literally the way that I curl my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're a new follower of mine. And I appreciate all of your love and all of your comments. I'm always reading them. I'm always giving them little hearts. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.